killing shit, hands down. If you got a problem with me, say it now.
Hey you guys, what's poppin'? It's your favorite BBW, and I am here with a tutorial on how to do this button. This little quick, easy, messy button. This is cheap. It's just fast. It's just easy, and it's real cute. So stay tuned. If you don't want any baby hairs, this hairstyle is just as cute. But me, I fucks with the baby hairs. Heavy. So. Yes, come through a little swirl. I love when my baby hairs do that little swirl thing. Like, I fuck with that. And we got a little extra one over here, so I'm just gonna do a little. This one's playing games, but let's go like that. These is my favorite, these sideburn things. Just gonna put a little bit on each side. There we go. A little swirl. Baby hairs are difficult. Like I'm still learning also. There we go. So I'm just gonna put some got to be glued styling gel on the back because this little piece keeps coming up and I can't find bobby pins. So I'm just brushing my baby hairs up in the back so they'll fit in the ponytail. And there we go. And then you can never go wrong. Listen. Y'all tripping. Y'all don't fuck with the hoops. Look, I don't care what nobody say about hoops. People say hoops is childish. People say hoops is overrated, out of dated. I don't care. But y'all can't tell me that these hoops is not popping with this little ponytail bun, messy bun. Come on. So I'm gonna give y'all a little. This is how it looks in the end. Got you a little bun that matches if you have different color hair. And remember, I'm gonna put all the products in the description. So thank you for watching my channel and my YouTube video. And I am going to be coming soon with more of these quick, easy, cheap hairstyles. This hairstyle literally cost me probably like $15. Probably not even that, I don't know. But this is really cheap. Like all you need is bundles and some edge control, really. That's all you need. And when I say bundles, I mean cheap bundles from the hair store, like your local hair store. Yes, those. They work awesome for this video. So stay tuned on my channel, subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of stuff. Thanks for watching.
I'm the one that's killing shit, hands down. If you got a problem with me, say it now. 'Cause I don't wanna hear no